Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit footer in WordPress. It's so simple. Right now you can see that I'm on my dashboard, and in order to edit the footer, what we need to do, firstly here you need to look for the section appearance, and just right here on this we're gonna click on customize. And right here on this screen you will see couple of sections like global, header, post types, general, footer. This is the important one, and this is the second important option here, widgets. So you can like expand this and get into that. You will able to like edit your footer, so those settings will open if we expand this. So let's say if I click on this to see what will be options we'll see. So let's say I wanna like remove this from here. I can just click on this pencil icon, and just right there we have this section open. So here you can see that the text is not visible. Even I selected the text, it is because the text is wide and the background here is also wide. That's the reason. But if I like try to select it, you will able to see the text. Here you can see that. So as I said that I want to delete this, I can just click on this option, and here we have the option delete. Let me scroll. This is the one. Click on that, and yep, it is gone. That's how you can delete the stuff if you want. Similarly you can delete this one, it is up to you. Now let's say you wanna edit the text. So for that what you need to do, again move your cursor over to the area which you want to edit, and just click on the pencil icon. Here I'm just gonna select the text again, just because the text is of white color. Now I can just type anything I'll want here. Let's say I type like the video. Okay, and yep, you can see that they have changed the text. Similarly I can just remove the rest of the part. Okay, so that's the way you can change your text. You can remove the text from footer. Similarly, let's say you wanna remove this part, you wanna like make it smaller, bigger. How you can do that? So there is the option for that. Let's say firstly let me show you how you can increase or decrease the size of this section. For that we'll again click on this pencil icon, then further options will open, and right here you have the option for height. Here it is. Let's say I don't want this box to be that bigger. I can just decrease the height to something like 30, and yep, there you go. They have reduced the size of this particular section. Similarly you can edit the size, like you can reduce the size of the upper box too. So here you can see the option for that. And not only that, you can also change the layout of this section. Like I don't want to be something like this, but instead I'll go with this, like 4 columns should be equal. And yeah, you can see that by changing this the size of this box is also reduced. So you can just play with this to figure out what you like. Now I wanted to add the logo of YouTube channel here. So for that what we can do, here you can see that widget we have added here, but just here we have the option for social, and you might have noticed that this copyright thing is not looking good, and in order to remove that you can just cancel that from here, and yep, it is gone. Now we're gonna add the YouTube channel here. So for that we'll click on social, and the further options will open regarding this option here. In order to add the YouTube, what we can do, just from this drop down you can select the YouTube here. Like many platforms are available, you can choose IMDb, Medium, Telegram. Like as I said, it's up to you. I'm gonna select YouTube. Now here I'll just click on add icon, and yep, you can see that they have successfully added the YouTube here. In case if you want to arrange it, for that you can just drag and drop it to upwards. You can change the order. And the main part, how I can add the URL of my channel. So for that I just need to expand the drop down. Here I have the option for pasting the URL. Once I paste the URL, I'm good to go. And yeah, this is pretty much of it. You can just play with these settings to figure out what you like, as I said before. Now here you will see the option for tablet, mobile view. If you click on the mobile, I'll be able to see the view, like how my footer or everything I change here will look like to people if they are opening that on their mobile phones. I am happy with this, and in order to publish these changes I can just click on publish, and my changes will get published and will be visible to people. And yeah guys, it is that easy to change your footer or edit your footer in WordPress. Similarly you can explore this widgets option the way we explore footer. But yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.